If you're in your 20s or 30s and you still want to be rich, don't scroll past this. Do these 5 things for the next 10 years, and I guarantee you'll become a millionaire. 1. Start early. Time is your secret weapon. Most people waste their 20s chasing vibes and a lot of distractions instead of vision. But starting early is the one advantage that costs nothing and pays everything. If you can figure out what you want early and start moving, even if it's slow, you'll be 10 steps ahead of the guy who figures it out at 35. Decide what you want early. Pick a path. Commit to it. Because the earlier you start, the earlier you start compounding time, skill, money, experience. Whether it's learning a skill, building a business, or saving your first 10,000. Start now. Compound interest doesn't just work with money, it works with life. Don't wait for life to push you. Push yourself. Because every year you delay is a year you can't get back. 2. Invest in yourself. First, you are the asset. Before you invest in stocks, crypto, or business, invest in the one thing that will never crash: you. Read books. They'll sharpen your mind and expand your thinking. Learn skills that pay, like copywriting, digital marketing, or sales. Attend workshops. Take free courses online. If you can't afford a course yet, find someone doing what you want to do and learn from them. Be the apprentice. Sweep the shop if you must. Just stay where growth is happening. Personal development isn't a luxury. It's your foundation. The richer your mind, the richer your future. 3. Don't just chase money. Chase purpose and money will follow. This might sound crazy, but it's one of the biggest secrets about money. You don't chase money. You chase purpose. People who chase money at all costs often lose more than they gain. They burn bridges. They lose peace. Some even lose themselves. But those who focus on solving real problems, those who serve, they attract money like a magnet. Find a human need. Solve it. Make people's lives better, easier, faster, or happier. That's where wealth lives. The goal isn't just to be rich. The goal is to be valuable. Because when you become valuable, money has no choice but to follow. 4. Become financially literate. Money is a mind game. You live in a world of numbers, yet most people can't read money. That's why they earn millions and still end up broke. Financial literacy is more than budgeting. It's understanding how money moves, grows, and disappears. It's knowing how to make sound money decisions, even when life gets hard. 2 men can work for 10 years. One earns 5 times more, yet ends up neck deep in debt. The other earns less, but retires rich. Why? One was financially literate, the other wasn't. Poverty doesn't always knock. Sometimes it creeps in through poor decisions. If you don't train your mind, your wallet will suffer. Read books, watch videos, ask questions, learn how to multiply money, not just make it. Because money doesn't grow in your hands by luck, it grows by wisdom. 5. Master delayed gratification. Discipline is the bridge to wealth. Everyone wants to be rich, but not everyone has the discipline to wait. You can't talk wealth if you can't delay pleasure. Too many young people are hooked on quick dopamine, the latest phone, flashy clothes, designer shoes. You're buying status instead of buying freedom. The truth? The soft life comes to those who build first. If you can delay gratification today and invest that money in books, courses, skills, business, you'll earn the power to afford anything tomorrow without guilt or struggle. Sacrifice now, flex later. Save now, invest in your growth. The flashy life can wait, but opportunities won't. You've heard the habits. You've seen the truth. Now here's the part most people don't want to accept. Nobody is coming to save you. Not the government, not your job, not some random helper from nowhere. If your life is going to change, you're the one who must change it. Start now. Build discipline. Learn skills. Think long term. Practice these 5 habits like your future depends on it. because it does. 10 years from now, you'll either be proud you started or regret that you didn't. So ask yourself today, do I want comfort now or freedom later? The choice is yours, and time is ticking. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart money moves. This is Money Secrets, where we shape minds and raise the billionaires of tomorrow. Catch you in the next one.